are not the dead wood, you know, and so forth. These are issues that we're talking about, and he's dealt with that, and credit must be given to him. He's also brought in new young people. The women are excited, we must be honest. It's the first government ever which has so many women, young too. You know, that you can't take away from him. You also look at the technocrats who are in there as well, you know, which is something quite important. Yeah, I mean, listen, it is a Zanu PF victory. You appoint Zanu PF people, so I don't know why people expected me to be appointed, because I'm not Zanu PF. He has to appoint his people within his party, and that's what it means. The only unfortunate thing, we don't have leaders who have now gotten to a point where they're inclusive of everyone, despite the political party. I would have liked to see the president bringing people who are not Zanu PF, but who are good for the country. Are you with me? I would have liked to see him extending that. I mean, that would have been an icing on the cake, you know, honestly, because I think that people who are not in Zanu PF, who certainly, and there's no technocrat who can be brought in and say they don't support Zanu PF. The moment you're a technocrat and you're in Zanu PF, you're in this government, you are Zanu PF. You have to attend the Zanu PF Congress. You have to speak at the Zanu PF Congress. And the manifesto and the policies are Zanu PF. So how can you say I am a technocrat, yet I'm not Zanu PF? The policies and the manifesto is Zanu PF. So you do, you know, abide to the Zanu PF philosophy and ideology. So there's nothing like a technocrat who's not aligned to Zanu PF. That's not true. All the ones that have come through. And when you go to the Zanu PF Congress, you have to do a slogan. You have to do a slogan before you present, because every minister is invited to present a document. And before you present a document, you first do a slogan. And if you don't, they say to you slogan first. Yes.
At Sly Media Productions, we offer live streaming services to companies willing to reach a worldwide audience. We bring you live studio interactive talk shows and interviews.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on this live broadcast.
It is sad to note that every day in our local papers there is a case of rape. Are the current penalties not good enough to stop perpetrators from committing crime?
But as we close, I've also seen or read in the newspaper that there are some people who are leaving your party. Why?
We live stream news press conferences as it happens.
We always last longer because we are revolutionaries, we are guerrillas. And today we have proved that we last longer. These neophytes who were using a marriage certificate of a married woman and a senior old man to try to take power.
Our engagement with ZEC, which is very clear, that ZEC has shown that they are not willing to be open to dialogue. They are stubborn and arrogant. They are opaque in their processes.
We have the capacity to live stream debates from various locations for a wide range of clients.
Welcome to this public seminar that has been organized by the Institute for Security Studies in partnership with SAPES Trust and myself, Violet Gonda. We will start the first half with a question and answer segment where I will ask our panelists some questions, and then in the second half we will actually take questions from the floor, and also if there are any contributions from our viewers at home who are watching on social media, we'll also do the same. We are live streaming on our Facebook, on the Sly Media Productions Facebook page.
So, coming to the issue of elections, there is jurisprudence that election petitions are not decided on numbers only. They are decided on numbers, or they are decided by the environment. If the court finds that the elections were not free and fair, as the first hurdle, the matter must end there, and the election must be vitiated.
The way you see that there was never a plan to win this petition legally is how it was framed. First order that he wanted, a declaration that the election was not free or fair. Second sentence, make me president. How do you do that? If it was not free or fair, how does the court make you president?
We follow them and help build Zimbabwe brand on a positive note. When you think of reaching the ever-growing internet audience with your video adverts, think Sly Media TV Online.